how to create group in Snapchat. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Snapchat. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, this interface will be opened over here, and you can see the chat option in the lower section. So you have to simply swipe through the chat, and over here in the right upper corner you'll be able to see the three dotted horizontal line. Simply tap on that. After tapping, you have to go through the new chat option. As soon as you open it, you'll be able to see the new group option. So you have to go through new group and you have to name the group. After naming the group, you have to select the person whom you want to add in the group. In order to select, you can simply tap on the circle. As you can see, the persons has been added, and you can simply tap on chat with group option and you'll be able to create a group. And by following this simple step, you can create group in Snapchat. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.